Good morning, sixth grade. We are going to be looking and moving on in geometry to polygons. The information that I'm going to be talking about can be found on page 342. We're going to go over a couple bolded, highlighted yellow words. If you are writing things down in your notebook, which you should be, this is definitely something that you should be writing down, these different definitions. Remember, geometry does have a lot of vocab, so you need to make sure that you are familiar with those words and that you know the definitions to them. Writing them down in your notebook just is a way for you to get familiar with them, and then a way for you to look back and remember what those words are. All right. First of all, okay, that was scary. I heard something. It sounded like someone was on the roof. It's not. I hope it was just the wind. So the first things first is a polygon. So on page 342, a polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segments that intersect at their endpoints in such a way that no two segments are on the same line. Basically, it's a shape. It is a closed shape. Triangle is a polygon. Hexagon is a polygon. Decagon, dodecagon, all those different kinds of things. So they have to be closed. They can't have any open spaces, but it's just a shape, any weird looking shape. And we're going to get into that, all right? If you move down, there is a chart and it has an orange title. It says polygon and number of sides. So polygons are classified by the number of sides that they have. If a polygon or a shape has 3 sides, it's called, you guessed it, a triangle. If it has 4 sides, it is a quadrilateral. If it has 5 sides, it is a pentagon. If it has 6 sides, it is a hexagon. If it has 7 sides, it is a heptagon. So hexagon and heptagon are different. Hexagon has 6 sides. 7 sides is hep with a P, all right? 8 sides is an octagon. 9 sides is a nonagon. 10 sides is a decagon. And 12 sides is a dodecagon. Now understand that there are a couple of numbers missing. 1 line does not make a shape, it just makes a line. 2 lines does not make a shape because you can't close it, it makes an angle. Also, there is no 11, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. It does not have 11. If there is a number of sides that is not on this chart, it is just that number gone. So it'd be 11 gone. Simple as that. If it was 13, it'd be 13 gone. If it was 24, it'd be 24 gone. All right, that's it. So if it has a number of sides on this chart, it has a fancy name. If it doesn't, it's just the number it is, gone. All right. Moving on, there are a couple different ways that you can further classify polygons. So one of them is the number of sides, which we just went over. And then the other one is regular or not regular. A regular polygon, all of the sides are equal length. So if you have one side super short and the other side super long, it is not regular. If all of them are regular, all of them have the same length of side. And that is with the purple header, and it gives you 2 examples of a regular triangle and a regular quadrilateral, and all of the sides are the same length in a regular polygon. All right, we're going to skip diagonal for right now. I'm going to do that in another video, but we're going to skip down to convex and concave. So it's the bottom half of your page. Convex means that it doesn't like cave in on itself at all. It's just a regular shape, what we think of a typical polygon. Concave means it kind of like dips in. All right. So, oh gosh, I'm not prepared. If you look in your book, this one does not dip in at all. All of the sides are out. This one, it goes whoop, goes like that. So this is a convex where it does not dip in. This is a concave because it caves in on itself. when you think of something caving in, it goes from the out and it caves in. So if it doesn't dip to the center, then it means that is convex. If it does not dip to the center, it is convex. If it does dip into the center, it is concave. And again, those examples can be found on page 342. Again, ignore the diagonal stuff for right now. It gets wordy and kind of a technical. Just stick with the, does it go like this or does it go like this? If it goes like this, it's concave. All right. Your assignment is to tell me numbers 1 through 8 on page 343 if they are regular, not regular, concave, or convex. You cannot have concave, convex, because those are opposites of each other, and you cannot have regular and not regular, because again, those are opposites of each other. So it's going to be either regular, convex, regular, concave, not regular, convex, not regular, concave. All right, so you have to understand what regular and not regular means, and then you also have to understand what convex and concave mean. For number 1, I'll just go over it with you. None of the sides are caving in on itself. They're all away from the center. So I know that it is going to be convex, and it looks like the base of the triangle compared to the longer sides. It does not look like they're all equal. So I'm going to say not regular. So number 1 is going to be not regular, convex. Email me if you have questions. All right, look up page 342 to help you out. Again, you have to do numbers 1 through 8 on page 343. You got this. All right, peace.